Do you want to add black bars like this to your video? Then make sure to watch to the end. Start by going to your project tab, then right click, go to new item and select adjustment layer. Now click OK. Now click and drag the adjustment layer above your clips. Now extend the adjustment layer to the clips that you want to have black bars on. Now head over to effects panel and search crop. Click and drag the effect to your adjustment layer. Go to effect controls and scroll down until you find crop. Now change the top and the bottom value to how big you want the bars to be. Now as you can see, we have now bars on the video, but if you want to animate them, move the playhead to the start of the clip, then change the top and the bottom value to 0 in order to reset them. Now click the stopwatch next to bottom and top in order to create a starting keyframe. Now simply move the playhead where you want the borders to be fully revealed by. Now change the top and bottom value to how big you want your black bars to be. We have now a professional looking fade in effect. In order to create a fade out effect, simply move the playhead where you want to start to fade out. Then click the circle next to top and bottom in order to create a keyframe for the current black bar percentage. Now move the playhead where you want to be done fading out and click the reset button next to top and bottom. We have now created a professional looking black bar effect.